Hey guys, one of the cars that we have this week is this Lexus. Got hit right here in the rail by a golf ball. The customer says he lives on a golf course and took a shot with a golf ball. So we're going to fix this using glue pull, which is placing glue tabs inside this dent and pulling. May take one, may take a series of them, but we're going to get this out. And there we go. Completely fixed, completely repaired using glue pull. No need to repaint it, no need to fill it full of bondo. Done the same day. Saves time and money. Beautiful job. Thanks for watching.